Good evening, friends, and this is another session on RCC formwork. Okay, this is complementary to my video on similar topic. That was part 1. This is part 2. Okay, so this will give you some additional information. So first thing is, what is formwork? Formwork will be defined as it is a temporary arrangement to give support to the green concrete till it gains the strength. Now, what is a green concrete? Actually, there are two different terms. Green concrete, here what we say is fresh concrete. Let us say fresh concrete. Let us not use the term green concrete. So it is the temporary work. Instead of temporary work, let us say temporary arrangement. Temporary arrangement to give support to the fresh concrete till it gains the strength. Okay. Secondly, it gives shape and size to the concrete. So whatever is the shape of the formwork, the concrete shall be made of the same shape. Whatever is the size of the formwork, the same size will be made of the RCC work. Is it clear? Suppose the formwork for the beam is, let us say, the width of the beam bottom is kept as 11.5 inches. So RCC beam shall also have a width of 11.5 inches, not more, not less. There are chances of increasing this width because of swelling, during the vibrations. Okay, so now remember some important points. What are the qualities of a good formwork? So first thing, it should be strong to carry weight of concrete, manpower, equipments. Okay. Secondly, it should be safe for working people. Third thing, it should be easy to carry, erect or remove. Fourth thing, it should be easy to maintain. It should be able to use it many times. And finally, it should be leak proof. So if it is not leak proof, then what will happen? The cement slurry shall flow through the joints. So primarily it should be leak proof. Is it clear? Now let us see the primary definitions. In previous video we have tried to explain it. Again you see a written description. So we are explaining 4 words here: centering, shuttering, staging, scaffolding. So centering is horizontal arrangement. Now why arrangement to support a horizontal face? Let us call it like this: arrangement horizontal face of concrete, that is centering. It could be for slab, beam, chajja, underground water tank, top slab or bottom slab of overhead water tank. Overhead water tank, both slabs will be there, bottom slab as well as roof slab. So that is centering. What is shuttering? Shuttering is, again, let us say the same thing with the same terminology. It is arrangement to support the vertical face. Instead of horizontal, it will become the vertical face of concrete. So when we say vertical face, it could be for columns, walls, beam sides, slab sides, chajja side, even footing sides. We can add footing sides. Okay. And then third thing is any arrangement to support the centering and shuttering. I am going to show you pictures of all that subsequently, maybe in the third part. So third is staging and fourth is scaffolding. This is the platform for what? For workers, supervisors, engineers. So in short, scaffolding is the platform for the people. Is it clear? Very good. Now let us see some material which is required for the form work. First is wood. In wood section, we have got chabi, runners, lafa, balli. So balli is also called as munda. Munda is also called as vasa. Together I am going to show you. Okay. Then bamboo. Bamboos are good for lateral bracing of the staging. Secondly, we need plywood. So it is usually 12 mm waterproof marine ply whose self-weight should not be less than 34 kg per square meter. And then we have got some fittings, fixtures made of mild steel, which are plates like centering plates, spans. Spans could be of two types: fixed span, variable spans, props, H-frames, clamps, and cup lock system. Okay, and then two separate technologies are available for us. One is aliform technology and one is tunnel form work. These 4 and 5 will explain in a different session. Apart from what we discussed, we also require these 10 things. It could be nails. In Marathi they are called as chuka, kile. In Hindi they would be called as keel, biranji. Then we need binding wire, shikanja, topi, gabdi, kathya. Kathya is rope, shuttering oil, masking tape, and waterproof paper, plus wedge. Okay. Now let us see what is the time like. I think we'll have another session which we'll call as third session. In the third session, let us see the various photographs of all these things so that the concept becomes more clear. Okay. So thank you so much, and before going off from the video, if you have liked it, please press the like button. If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Please also press the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you are going to get the intimation for that. You will get a notification. Okay, thank you, bye bye, and see you.